How can comparative fault impact your car accident case in Tennessee? Comparative fault, also known as comparative negligence, can have a significant impact on your car accident case in Tennessee. Tennessee follows a modified comparative fault system, which means that the degree of fault assigned to each party involved in the accident can affect the outcome of your case. Here's how comparative fault works and its impact. Determining percentage of fault. In a car accident case, the court or insurance adjusters will assess the actions of all parties involved to determine their respective percentages of fault. This assessment is based on the evidence presented, such as eyewitness testimonies, accident reports, and expert opinions. 50% rule. Tennessee follows the 50% rule, which means that you can only recover damages if you are found to be 49% or less at fault for the accident. If you are determined to be 50% or more at fault, you are barred from recovering any compensation from the other parties involved. Reduction in compensation. If you are partially at fault for the accident, but not more than 49%, your compensation will be reduced by your percentage of fault. For example, if you are found to be 20% at fault and your total damages amount to $10,000, your compensation would be reduced to $8,000. $10,000, 20% equals $8,000. Impact on insurance claims. Comparative fault can affect the outcome of insurance claims as well. If you are partially at fault, the other party's insurance company may argue that your percentage of fault should reduce the amount they have to pay for your damages. Legal proceedings. In a lawsuit, comparative fault can be a central issue during a trial. The jury or judge will determine the percentage of fault for each party involved, which directly impacts the final verdict and the amount of compensation awarded. Negotiations. During negotiations with insurance companies or in settlement discussions, comparative fault can be a point of contention. The parties involved may dispute the allocation of fault and seek to agree on a settlement amount that considers the shared responsibility for the accident. Evidentiary challenges. Establishing comparative fault or defending against allegations of fault often requires the presentation of evidence and legal arguments. Skilled attorneys may use this evidence to advocate for their clients' interests. Given the complexities of comparative fault in Tennessee car accident cases, it's advisable to consult the personal injury attorney who is experienced in handling such cases. An attorney can help you gather evidence, assess your percentage of fault, negotiate with insurance companies, and present a strong case in court if necessary. Their expertise can be invaluable in maximizing your compensation while navigating the state's comparative fault system. Feel free to reach us at 865-666-6175. Remember, if you were in an accident, we're here to offer free advice and don't charge any fees until we've secured your deserved compensation. Your well-being is our priority.